Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, today we're going to study dividing monomials with the laws of exponents, and this is for grade 8 mathematics. This lesson's made simpler for learners with difficulty in mathematics. I hope you learn from today's video. Okay, we have here laws of exponents for division. Okay, so we have this rule. A raised to m over a raised to n is equals to a raised to m minus n. So this means, when dividing monomials with the same base, we subtract the exponents. When can we divide monomials? We can divide monomials when they have the same variable and the variable has exponents and the coefficients can be divided normally. So for example, we have 8a cubed over 4a, 12a to the fifth power over 3x squared. And we have here 9x to the fourth and 3y squared. This cannot be divided because they have different variables. Okay, so here are the step-by-step examples. For 12x to the power 5 divided by 3x squared. So first divide the coefficients, which is 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Then subtract the exponent. We have x to the power of 5 minus 2. Okay, that is a cube. So the final answer is 4x cubed. Okay, let's have another. So we have a multiple variables here. 20 to the power 4 and b cubed over 5a squared b. Okay, so the coefficients is 20 divided by 5, so that's 4. Now for a, we have 4 minus 2, we have a squared. And for b, we have 3 minus 1, that is b to the power. So the final answer is 4a squared b squared. Example with zero exponents. So we have 9x cubed divided by 3x cubed. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. For the exponents, we have 3 minus 3. That's equals to x raised to the power of 0. We know that, always remember that x to the power of 0 is 1. So the final answer is 3. Okay, so we have real life word problem. Anna has 15x to the power of 4 bids and then uses 3x bids for its bracelet. How many bracelets can they make? So 15x to the power of 4 divided by 3x to the power of 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So that's why our final answer is 5x cubed. Okay, now let's continue. So we have here practice problem. Solve the following, write your answer on your notebook. Now, first we have 18 divided by 3. Okay. And then for y, we have 7 minus 2. Okay. So we have 18 divided by 3 is 6. Then y, we have 7 minus 2, that's 5. So this is the final answer. Okay. For number 2, we got 25 divided by 5. Then we have m to the power of 5 minus 1. Okay, remember, if there is no exponent, that is 1, no? There is always an invisible 1. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. And then m, 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, next. 14 divided by 7 is 7. For a, we have 6 minus 2 is 4. For b, we have 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so this is the final answer. Now, how I get this, you just follow what we did here on the one number 1 and 2. That's the same. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. And x minus 1, or for x, we have 4 minus 3 is x. Or we can say 1x. 32 divided by 4 is 8. Then for p, we have uh, 8 minus 5, that is 3. Get it? Okay, let's have. Okay, so let's try this challenge problem. So find the quotient for each. Okay, so we have here 48 a cube. So 48, I'll do it one by one, no? 48 divided by 6. Okay. Now, if you have difficulty in dividing, you can use repeated addition, like say 48 minus 6, that is 242, no? Then another minus 6, we got 6, um, 36, no? 36 minus 6, as no, minus 6 and minus 6 again, so we got 30, 30 minus 6, we have 4, 24 minus 6, we got 18, 14 minus 6 is 8, 18, no? Sorry, this is 2, 2 minus, this is 28, no? Because this will be 2. 28 minus 6 equals 2. 12 minus 6 equals 6. And 6 minus 6 equals 0. So how many times did we divide subtract the 6? So we have 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got 8 here, 8, okay? Then we subtract 9 minus 3. And then for B, we have B4 minus 1, no? So we got A6 B cubed. So this is the final answer. Sorry. 8A to the power of 6 B cubed. All right. For number 2, 60 divided by 5 is, or 30 divided by 5 is 6. Then x 5, because 7 minus 2 is 5. And then y minus 2 is minus 3 is 2. Okay. Of course, we have 18 divided by 8 is 3. Okay, 3. For number 3 alone, the answer is 3. Okay. Y3. 6, sorry, it's 2. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Okay, not 3. It's 2, no? So, and then 4 minus 4 is 1. So m raised to 0. Remember, there is no such 0. If the exponent is 0, it's 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 is the final answer. And for number 4, 21 divided by 7 is 3. That's 3. And then a raised to 5. 5 minus 1 is a raised to 4. And then, of course, 1. So this is now the final answer, because for B, we have we can cancel. 2 minus 2 is 0. 50 divided by 10 is 5. Then x to the power of 3 or cube, and then y squared. That's all. Okay? That's for the challenge. All right. Okay, so for the exit ticket, you can divide it. Of course, 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. 30 divided by 6 is 5. A cube base 1 is b. What do you do when with the exponents when dividing monomials? Okay. Why must the base be the same? Okay. Now, what do you do when exponents when dividing monomials? Of course, we subtract, no? We subtract the exponents, and why must be the base be the same so that you can divide it? Uh, it's important that the bases must be the same, right? So great job learning how to divide monomials. Yeah. Anna and Ben are happy for today, so I hope you are happy too, and you learn from it too. Bye bye. God bless. See you around.